Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. So today is an amazing day and I'm here to show you a very great content. In case it's your first time, karibu sana. Kindly consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget share, comment, and let me know what your thoughts are about this video. So I'm headed to the coffee farm to show you how we pick coffee here in Kenya, Africa. It's going to be an amazing content. I hope you are going to like it, okay? Please, to my returning viewers, to my premier gang, I appreciate you and may God bless you for me. So join me and let's go to the farm and do this together. And I decided to take a shortcut through a backyard vegetable to the coffee farm. I'm at the farm right now. Normally here we grow one type of coffee, which is Robusta, because even if you bend it, it's tall. Even if you bend it like this, it won't break. That's why it's normally grown here in the highlands. And this is how it looks. As you can see, these are the coffee berries and they are ripe. For you to get the best quality, you have to pick the ripe ones like this. This is how we pick coffee here in Kenya, Africa. Please, down below, may I know how do you do this in your places? So guys, this is how the coffee plantation looks like. You can see I have some coffee trees behind me. Let me show the ones that are ripe. Like you see the one behind me. Oh my good Lord. Let me show you how we do it. I'll have to pull it so that you see it. It looks like that, and as you can see, some are ripe, some are not, but for the good quality you will have to pick the ripe ones, because those ones are the ones recommended for the processing. So let me show you how we do it. So guys, sorry, we are done picking the coffee, and I'm here with Christine. Christine, say hi.
Hi.
So we are done. Let's go and show you how it's what it's graded. So this is the coffee that we picked. You can see, and for you to get a good quality, you have to pick the red ones for easy processing. This is what you recommended. This is what is recommended when you are picking the coffee. Let me show you how grading is done here. First, we will have to weigh to know how many kgs we've picked. So we put the coffee onto the sack to weigh it. That's the weighing machine. And so far so good. We managed to pick 12 kilos. So we must congratulate ourselves for the good work. That's the work that we've done today, guys. Guys, we are still here with Christine. Christine,
Yes.
say
Hi.
hello. Hi. As I told you, we don't get tired, we don't get stuck on one task. It's working all the day, throughout the day. So guys, this is the backyard kitchen garden, and we have some kales here, we have the amaranthus, we have some golden berries there, and we have bananas. It's a portion that has lots of vegetables, different plants. You can see behind me we have some maize, and we are trying to plow to remove the weeds. some yams here. As I told you, it's a small scale, but with lots of goodies, healthy vegetables, healthy arrowroots. We have some beans here. These are type of vegetables. That one, but I don't know how we